Good morning, everybody. It's Debbie Carney, Crazy as a Parrot. This is my third instructional video to help you guys with your parrots, food, supplements, and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, I'm making my videos a little long, so I'm having trouble getting them up on Facebook and stuff. So I have been putting them on YouTube. If you want to see them, you can see them under Crazy as a Parrot, P-A-R-O-T-T, misspelled on purpose, and it's all one thing, just that. Go on YouTube and look me up and see my videos, and you'll see my videos also of my bird's Wiggy having surgery on his leg, and some other ones too. One of my Queen of Bavaria conure getting a lump cut out of his little throat that was a cyst, and if I hadn't been hands-on, I would have lost him. He would have died. And that would have killed me because he's so rare. But anyway, this is what I prepared for my birds today. If you can see this. Okay, that is a melange of this bread here. I think I told you guys about it earlier. This is the best bread. It's a breakfast bread. If you can find it at your grocery store in the bakery, buy it, because it doesn't have any preservatives in it or anything, but it's got stone ground wheat, and it's got dates and all kinds of good stuff. Anyway, so this morning my birds are having that. They had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches yesterday with homemade jelly and on all total wheat bread. And so I cut everything up, and I put some apples and some grapes, and I'm putting a little bit of the fish bone that you buy for them to chew on the side of their cages. My birds don't do it, so I just powder it up. I'm going to add it on here so they can get some omega-3. And this is an awesome product. It's called Sunshine Factor for your birds. And what it does is it helps their system, and when there's not enough sunshine too, it's just it's icky looking on the inside. It's orange and it's a little bit runny, but it smells wonderful. It smells like oranges. So I always pour a little bit of that on there. And then if they've got extra vitamins and stuff like that from the vet they get that too. Okay? So I also wanted to show you a product called Vet RX. If you have cockatoos in with macaws, you got to keep them away from each other a bit, because the dander off the cockatoos can really affect your macaw's breathing. It gets inside. And you know that if you look at your vent and you clean your vent and take out your vent and look at it, it'll be full of dander. It's amazing how much dander cockatoos have on them. I mean, and they shed it constantly. So give them a little spray down every day. It helps keep that under control too. And they like it too. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. And that's going to be it for this morning. And I'm going to try to do another one later on today for you guys. And hopefully we're going to start discussing things like poisonous foods, poisonous plants, poisonous everything that's not good around your bird at all. Okay? So I will see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.